This video is going to take another look at matrix multiplication. In the matrix math video, matrix multiplication was given essentially as equal m mult, and in this case this is the matrix E2 to H3 times the matrix B2 to C5. I'm going to repeat that matrix operation here in this set of 4 cells, but I'm going to do it as it would be done with a paper and pencil. And the way this matrix multiplication takes place is that for this cell of the matrix, this value is multiplied times this value plus this value times this value plus this value times this value plus this value times this value, and that all goes in this cell. So here I'm going to say equal this 2 times this 2 plus this 4 times this 4 plus this 3 times this 3 plus this 5 times this 5. And the value we get is 54, which is exactly the value we got using the mmult function. Now, what is this value? It is the 2 times 4 plus 4 times 2 plus 3 times 1 plus 5 times 3. So this will be equal to 2 times 4 plus 4 times 2 plus 3 times 1 plus 5 times 3, or 34, which is exactly the value we got here using mmult. We could find these other two values exactly the same way. This one would be 4 times 2 plus 2 times 4, and so on. And this one would be 4 times 4 plus 2 times 2, and so on. But rather than do that, I'm going to go back to the first one of these values that we calculated, and I'm going to use the $ convention to fix the cells so that we can drag the equation to the 3 additional cells we're interested in to get all of the values from this matrix. So first I will fix the x prime values. I always want the x prime matrix values to be in columns E, F, G, and H. So this will be fixed as E2. This will be fixed as, that is, it will be fixed as $E2. This will be fixed as $F2. This will be fixed as $G2, and this will be fixed as $H2. Now for the X matrix, I always want the X matrix values to stay in cells 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this will be fixed as $2, $3, $4, and $5. When I hit enter and then drag the box to the 4 appropriate cells, I get exactly the same result here as I get here with the mmult function. For relatively small matrices, for example a 2x4 and a 4x2, this convention is doable. For larger matrices, it gets to be very cumbersome. That's why the equal mmult function is so much more useful.